Hello muatu jammer apdekan sa Hornbill TV ajlaga news roundup iniga junai dibo. Director of Health and Family Welfare pra koise COVID vaccination 18 साल pra 44 साल tak kan karne suppliers kan logode vaccine pa pichide hi shuru korbo koise. Central Sarkar pra 18 साल opor kan karne vaccine do May 1st pra dia shuru korbole announce kurigina thagise. Press release day State Immunization Officer Dr. Ritu Thur pra koise Serum Institute of India pra COVID shield dawai do khali 36,580 doses si supply korbo koigina letter de likhigina dishe. Tai aro koise state the third phase COVID vaccination shuru korbo karne state sarkar para 4 lakh doses kinibole process kri ase. Dr. Thor koise third phase 18 to 44 sal kan karne vaccination date announce nakura dak registration to self-registration.cowin.gov.in aro arogya setu app para booking kuri thakibo. Immunization officer para aro alak press release ekta de koise Cowin apps te healthcare workers or frontline workers kan notun registration koribole May 1st para bond kuri dibo holibi pre-registered aro non-vaccinated beneficiaries to dibo parbo koise. Aji pressure swing at absorption oxygen generation plants equipment do Nagaland de pungtishe Indian Air Force aircraft pra anigina. Aji din badi nishna ada nishna de Dimapur airport de land krishe. April 26, 2021, they center for 13 oxygen generation plants past the northeastern states. They set up Kuribule approved Korea Homoy. And to April 30, 2021, they pressure swing absorption oxygen generation plants to Dimapur, Nagaland de Pungjishe. Idu tinta oxygen plant do Dimapur, Mukokchung or Kohima District Hospital ni media se kuishe. Nagaland Chief Minister ni Pirio pra ekta tweet de Union Defense Minister Rajnath Singh ge dhanyabad dishe air transport insure kriya karne aro kuishe ki itu plan pra consistent oxygen supply thagibole modot kurobo aro effective management kuribole paribo kuishe COVID cases de. Aro Minister of Health and Family Welfare S Phangyu Pom prabi ekta tweet de kuishe itu plan do tinta location de shift kurigina installation do war footing pra kuribo kuishe. Central Reserve Police Force 173 Battalion Tibupar para aji public friendly civic action program lushe Tibupar or Chumukitima block te.
Under Inspector General CRPF Manipur and Nagaland Sector 173 Battalion CRPF Kundudu Airfield Dibubar Dimapur de base ase Taikan Baraji April 30 day public friendly civic action program CAB organized kurishe. Idu program de Daikan bara kisam sports kilia saman footballs volleyballs aro alag saman bhag kurishe Kira Youth Organization aro Dibubar Student Union khange. Idu hua pichide Commandant Vishnu Gaudam ra Pello areas te thakia manu khan nimide bus wedding shed inaugurate kurishe aro Government High School Kekrike Chimugirima Village te CRPF para school library ponai diado inaugurate kurigina handover kurishe school ke kude gidap Debble aro chairs, solar inverters, fans, kansop ase. Idu laga even de commandant bara koishe security forces aro public laga majude bhal rishta thakiwole madishi aro koishe ki CRPF khan hutai local manu khan ge modot dibo koishe. Idu civic action program de local leaders kanbura school authorities aro youth leaders khan bara P battalion ge khushi janai dishe dai khan bara lagya saman tai khan ge dia nimide.
CRPF is normally conducting civic action program by conducting various activities like conducting of medical camps, donation of books, sport items, water tanks, etc. to the needy. Area of deployment is very vast. My one company is deployed in Mokokchung also. We have deployed 3 places at Dimapur. So we have to conduct these activities in all areas. Donation of library, distribution of water tanks in Mokokchung, and sport items and medical camp, etc. So these activities were for last financial year. Now this year we will have some more fund, then we will conduct accordingly.
Commandant Vishnu Gautam 173 CRPF Battalion Dimapur base Manukhantu Chumukidima de Tahanlaga base camp ekta khulibole ase aro etu base camp to start kuri ase edu garne tahan bosti manukhan garne students khan garne society garne alag rasta bara tahan civic program bara besi contribution di ase aro ami khan to besi thankful ase tahan laga upore edia tahan amar school de bacha khan students khan garne library ekta khuli dise আৰু ৱেইটিং শেড বি খুলি দিছে বনাই দি কিনে পাব্লিক মানুহখান ৱেলফেয়াৰ কাৰণে আৰু তাইখান এনেকুৱা ঠিক এষ্টাব্লিছমেণ্ট পাৰ্মানেণ্ট হৈ যাইছে ক'লে মানে এইটো ভিলেজতে আৰু বেছি ডেভেলপমেণ্ট আনি দিব কাৰণে এইটো বিশ্বাস আছে
CRBF 173 battalion khamra civic action project ko gina idula program ekta luise aro tade tahan Dibubar student union khan de sports gates khan dishe aro Chimukirma village tv dahan government school de library kholai dishe aro bosti manu khan garni pass 10 bi ekta inaugurate kori dishe tahan idu project to hotai sal loi aro idu do bapli khan aro tahana CRBF khan la majude rishta do phal hole nimide karni idu last step to uthai thake মই এজ ৰিপৰ্টাৰ ৰঞ্জিমি উইথ কেমেৰা পাৰ্চন কেটলিনো চাইডে কিবি হৰ্নবিল টিভি
Church kande sobse bishi hoile bi 30% buhibole paria capacity aro kari kande 50% buhibole paria capacity hi permit kribo koigina state sarkar para directives dia nishina jakali Kohima district task force para meeting loigina DC Kohima para taika laga faisla junai dishe
Gregory Thejawule para Kohima district e chula bole nimte directives kumba issue kuri dishe tade pura likha jaga schools colleges coaching hostels nishna khan nutun notice na dia tak bon krobole koishe kintu distance learning lobole paribo koishe containment zones khan te manu khan functions khan kane jama krobole paribo holibi jaga laga 30% tak hi chula bole pariye koishe church aro alag dhorom laga jaga khan te bi sobse bishi hole bi jaga laga 30% na hole 100 manu kuntu komti hobo eman hi manu jama krobole paribo koishe bahar para ahya manu khan negative thakya RT-PCR TrueNet CBNAAT test laga report dibole lage koishe ahya 72 hours age de test lua laga utu pichide 7 din quarantine na hole self isolation kurobo na hole case ala khante 10 din quarantine krobole koishe private gari city bus aro taxi khan polabole paribo kintu gari te buhibole paria 50% manu hi lobole lage random testing time to time jai thakibo koishe
India de hotai din COVID-19 bimar laga cases bishi uti thagya dikhi pai ase ajibi 3,86,452 notun cases thurishe aro 3,498 muria cases register kurishe edu milai gina itia country laga total cases to 18,762,967 cases ase aro muria cases to 2,08,330 hoishe India de sob milai gina 31,70,228 active cases ase aro 15,384,418 manu bal hoishe country de vaccination jai thake de itia tak 152,244,179 manu ke vaccinate kuri dishe health ministry laga data hisab te India de 3 lakh upper cases record kriya do itia ek hafta hoi ase Maharashtra state pra cases sobse bishi record kuri ase edu bichi de Kerala aro Uttar Pradesh ase India de COVID-19 laga cases kan bishi uti thagya homoy Supreme Court pra aji koise citizens kan pra tai kan laga chinta kan social media de post kriya kan ge pon kurobole na parbo Supreme Court pra koise citizens kan tai kan laga khushi na pa khota kan social media pra junai dibole mon ase koile edu kan ge wrong information matibole na parbo edu information kan ge bon na kuri gina tai kan laga opor action loise koile court laga khota na mane hobo koise Justice DY Chandrachud pra head kuri gina bench pra koise information kan laga free flow thagi bole lage aro citizens kan laga awaz huni bole lage court pra states aro TGP sob ke koise manu kan oxygen bisna nohile bi doctors komti hua laga post kriya kan ge rumor filai ase koigina action nalobi koise edu pichire court pra hostels temples churches aro alag jaga kan ge COVID-19 care center banabole kholai dibi koise center ke national immunization model ekta adopt kurigina tukia manu kan ge bi vaccine moved pra pabole dibi koise health sector do bia jaga de pungchishe edu nimide retired doctors aro officials kan ge bi re-employ kuribole koise private vaccine manufacturers kan ge states kan de kiman vaccine dibo edu faisla lobole na dibole lage koigina janaishe Health Ministry pra koise home isolation kriya laga guidelines revise kuri dishe aro koise oxygen saturation do room air de 94% laga opor thakile he home isolation allow kurubo
With patients khan kunge asymptomatic na holibi mildly symptomatic koigina medical officer bra clinically assign gurigina rakhishe edukan ge home isolation de allow gribo chudi taikan laga oxygen saturation do room air de 94% upor ase gole nutun guideline de goise bimar manu ke sabole nimide manu 24/7 thagibole lage caregiver aro hospital laga beach de communication thagibole lage home isolation guria homoy patients kan gun 60 years obor ase aru kun logode comorbidity conditions kan ase etu khan ge home isolation allow guribo phal bara sa bichede nodun guidelines te remdesivir laga injection nijor laga khor para lobole rukhaise aru koise edu khali hospital bra hi hobole lage mild cases kan de systemic oral steroids chulawole kwa nai aru 7 laga obor symptoms kan thaki jaile doctor ge hudina low dose oral steroids lobole pare oxygen saturation giri ase gole na holibi sas lobole diktar hoya ase gole patient ke hospital loi jabi koise home isolation de thagya patients kan ge cross ventilation thagya room de rakhibole lage koise windows kan kulabole lage aro hotai triple layer medical mask chulabo lage patients kan ge symptoms ula laga 10 din biche aro fever ja 3 din biche discharge hobole paribo etu biche test na gurilibi hoi jabo koise
First consignment medical supplies United States pra patado aji India de pungchishe. Aji Friday de first consignment emergency medical supplies aro itia lagya oxygen cylinders or regulators to India de pungchishe coronavirus pandemic fight kurubole nimide. Medical equipment aro alak supplies to Delhi de anishe US Air Force laga sobse dangor strategic airlift aircraft C5M Super Galaxy pra. External Affairs Ministry spokesperson Arindam Bakchi pra tweet te kuishe India or United States majude healthcare partnership pra global pandemic to effectively tackle kuribole parabo kuishe aro Arindam pra US ke appreciation dishe 423 oxygen cylinders regulators or medical supplies dia karne Thursday din Russia pra 20 ton medical supplies oxygen concentrators or ventilators India de phataishe aro Romania pra bhi medical supplies tishe Friday din ne Friday Sunday Supreme Court pra COVID-19 pandemic laga related issues kan oxygen supply drug supply or vaccine policy kan laga cases te hearing do thagibole ase
Court pra COVID-19 pandemic te related issues kan like oxygen supply, drug supply aro vaccine laga policy kan laga cases te hearing to Friday noon de thagibole ase goina kushe. Bench laga head Justice T.Y. Chandrachud logod edu oxygen cylinder essential dawai kan aro center sorgar bra Maharashtra laga hospitals te extra medical staffs iniga kan sub cases laga hearing do Friday noon de thagibo. Edu de PIL filed Korea laga Nashik oxygen leak case kude 24 manu murishe tade independent judicial inquiry rakhade hearing thagibo puila laga hearing de court para center logo national plan para edu pandemic handle kuribole paribo na nai edu present aro apprise kuribole koise edu laga same cases kan laga hearing do alag jaga laga high court kan debi kuria se goina koise
Japan can prepared ase India ge 300 respirators aro 300 oxygen concentrators debole
Net Secretary Katsunobu Kato para Friday din te koishe taikan laga kotha final kuri loise kole prepared ase India ki COVID assistance karne 200 respirators aro 200 oxygen concentrators dibole Chief Cabinet Secretary para specify kura nai kitia the concentrators aro respirators can delivered kurobole ase the Japan laga first time hoi India ke COVID-19 pandemic laga crisis ja homoy modot kura tu ja sal debi kitia India kan health aro economical digdar lok kuri thagishe Japan kan pra emergency loan bi dishe COVID fight te udu modot dishe desh te health aro medical policies aro hospitals equipped with ICUs kan develop globally
Delhi laga police pra pharmaceutical unit raid margina 5 June manuge arrest kurishe kun kan Uttarakhand laga Kotdwar area laga ase taikam pra nakli remdesivir injection do tangor quantities pra allegedly banai thakishe koigina officials pra Thursday din de kuishe
Thursday din de Delhi laga police pra pharmaceutical unit raid marina 5 June manuge arrest kurishe kun kan Uttarakhand laga Kotdwar area laga se taikan bara nakli remdesivir injections to tangor quantities pra allegedly bunai thakishe Inika hoina police pra taikan logode 196 nagli remdesivir injection do seize kurishe aro idu manukhan pra 2000 nagli remdesivir injection do bikai dishe goina koshe. Idu incidents laga khobor do Delhi laga police commissioner SN Srivastava bra tweet kuri ina janai dishe. Delhi laga police kan bra useful khobor khan loina investigate kuriya de banchun manuke arrest kurishe. Kun kan Uttarakhand laga Kotwar area de pharmaceutical unit bra nagli remdesivir injection do dangor quantities te bunai thagishe inika hoina 25000 barabi bikai thagishe. India de COVID cases pishi ulai thage de remdesivir injection laga demand bi uthi thagi ase koina okoshe.
Television journalist और senior anchor Rohit Sardana আজি COVID-19 pra morishe. Late Rohit Sardana do आज तक ते anchor ekta thagishe aro itu channel de dangal koi kina show ekta kuntu de tai current affairs kane debate loi itu laga anchor thagishe. Tai आज तक join nakriya agede Z News te kam kuri thagishe. Sardana do government pra 2018 de Ganesh Shankar Vidyati Puraskara laga award pi dishe. Popular anchor Muria laga khobor de media fraternity aro politicians kampra tai kan laga mundok junaishe. Rohit Sardana para Ami Khan ge bishi julli charishe. Sardana do energetic aro India laga progress karne bishi passionate thagishe. Tai do ekta kind hearted manu ekta thagishe. Tai Muria do media laga dunia de bishi dangor void ekta charibo koigina Prime Minister Narendra Modi pra tai laga tweet de likhishe. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal pra Friday din de public ke junai dishe ki vaccination centers laga bahar de line up na kuru bole.
Vaccination to May 1 para shuru kurubole thagishe holibi CM para ekta statement junai dishe ki vaccines to amikhan ke ite bi delivered hwa nai koi kina Kejriwal para koishe ki sarkar to vaccine bana companies ke hodai in touch te rakhi kina se aro tai khan joldi public hope grace koishe 3 lakh vaccines delivered credible ase koishe aro CM para public ke appeal koishe ki vaccinations center laga bahar de line up na kuribole kile koile utu para situation to bia kuridibo social distancing na thaka karne eta tak Delhi para first dose vaccine to 31 lakh opor manu ke dishe aro 6 lakh manu opor duita doses paise koishe sarkar laga data hisab de Kejriwal para koishe ki kitia vaccines available kurubo public ke junai dibo tayar koishe ki kun manu khan registered hoi kina se tai khan sob vaccines pabo Delhi sarkar para vaccine producing companies Covishield aro Covaxin de 67 lakh vaccine next 10 moina de dibole request kuri kina se aro sarkar laga aim to sob manu 10 moina de vaccinate kurubole aim ase koishe Chief Minister Thursday dinte thai laga second shot loishe
Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology pra notun COVID-19 testing method ani ase koishe dry swab technique chulai gina. Rakesh Mishra, Director of Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology pra koishe ki itu notun COVID-19 testing dry swab method to sasta, safe, joldi aro more accurate ase koishe. Itia chula method ki compare kuri gina. Aro koishe ki itu dry swab method chulai gina test kriya de 300% nishina number increase hobole expect kuribole paribo koishe. Mishra pra notun samples collection method opor de koishe ki swab te samples thagya do viral transport medium de rakhibole kam nai koishe. Kintu itu sample to dry container pitor de rakhi gina labs te padabole paribo koishe. Itu laga process pra test kriya laga dam do komti kuribole paribo koishe. Viral transport medium na chulai gina. Aro koishe result pabole time bi komti kuribole paribo aro cross containment hobole eku risk nai koishe. Russia pra dunia laga sabse pehla janwar khan nimide COVID-19 vaccine banaishe. Aro tai kan laga first batch de 17,000 doses tagishe koishe. March Carnivac cough register kridishe taikam par test created dogs, cats, foxes or mink kan logode COVID-19 khilaf antibodies olabole paria dikhi pa karne. Regulators Rosel Konzan Zor para statement de koishe taika laga first batch to Russia laga jaga bishi de phatabo ase. Germany, Greece, Poland, Australia, Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, Malaysia, Thailand, South Korea, Lebanon, Iran aro Argentina para companies can be vaccine do lobole mon ase koigina interest dikhaishe. World Health Organization para COVID-19 laga virus to manu aro janwar laga majude lagi bole chinta junai thagishe. Russian laga regulator para koishe edu vaccine para vulnerable species ke baja bole parbo aro viral mutation ge hata bole parbo. এতিয়া তাক পিস্তা অৰ্গেনাইজেশ্যন কাম্পাৰ ৰেজিষ্ট্ৰেশ্যন কাৰণে খতা ক'বলৈ আৰু তাইকা লগা কাণ্ট্ৰিতে ভেকচিন পাতাবলৈ কাৰণে বি তৈয়াৰ আছে কৈ আছে ৰাছিয়ান লগা ৱাচডগ পৰা কৈছে ইউৰোপীয়ান ইউনিয়নে ৰেজিষ্ট্ৰেশ্যন কৰিবলৈ নিমিতে এতিয়া ফাইল তৈয়াৰী কৰি আছে আৰু জলদি ৰেজিষ্ট্ৰেশ্যন প্ৰচেছ যাবলৈ কাৰণে চলাব কৈছে আজিলা নিউজ ৰাউণ্ড আপ ইমানেই হ'ব আৰু আলাক খবৰ কাৰণে চাই থাকিবি হৰ্ণবিল টিভি